Everyone who walks into a gym dreams of the same goal: to gain muscle, transform their physique, and rewrite their story in the mirror. But what few realize is that behind every muscle gain, there's a silent factor that determines whether you'll progress quickly or stagnate in the same place for months. And this factor has a name and a face: active testosterone. Most people believe this hormone is only responsible for libido or masculine behavior, but that's a misconception. Testosterone is one of the body's most potent tools for building muscle, as long as you know how to activate it correctly. Let's imagine two guys, João and Lucas. Both train 5 times a week, follow a diet, and sleep over 7 hours a night. But João at 37 feels his results have plateaued, while Lucas at 42 continues to progress. What's behind this discrepancy? The difference lies in how each body utilizes its natural testosterone, and this goes far beyond age or physique. It's about lifestyle, micro habits, and understanding one's own metabolism. When you engage in physical training, your body creates an environment conducive to anabolism, the process of muscle building. However, this process is only fully realized when testosterone levels are balanced. The issue is that chronic stress, excessive caffeine intake, poor sleep, and a diet lacking in micronutrients silently undermine this essential hormone. The consequence? Rigorous workouts yielding minimal results, pervasive fatigue, and a waning motivation. Testosterone doesn't operate in isolation. It requires a robust support system: deep, restorative sleep, a discerning diet, strategically planned functional training, and emotional regulation. Any imbalance disrupts production, ultimately hindering your progress. This begs the question: when was the last time you assessed your hormonal profile? When did you last examine your body as a complex, interconnected system, rather than simply a reflection in the mirror? No supplement can replace a well-functioning organism. Testosterone is a powerful ally, but it is also sensitive to everything you do. Let's take the example of Mariana, a 35-year-old physical education instructor who is active and disciplined. Even so, she started losing lean mass and experiencing constant fatigue. After exams, it was discovered that her testosterone levels were low. The cause? Workplace stress, insufficient deep sleep, and an irregular menstrual cycle. The body speaks, and testosterone responds. For those seeking sustainable evolution, it is crucial to understand that hormones are neither villains nor heroes. They are messengers. And like any messenger, they only deliver the right message if the path is clear. A diet rich in healthy fats, exercise focused on major muscle groups, controlled sun exposure, and judicious supplementation. All of these factors contribute to maintaining testosterone's optimal circulation. Another crucial factor is rest. Individuals who sleep less than 6 hours a night drastically reduce their hormonal production. Sleep deprivation does not just impact muscle recovery, but also appetite, mood, and libido. Everything is interconnected. When this link is severed, no amount of training can compensate. Therefore, it is more important than seeking a hormonal shortcut to build a routine where your body wants to help you. The ideal workout is not the heaviest, but the most efficient. The perfect diet is not the most restrictive, but the most intelligent. And rest is not a waste of time, but invisible growth. If you've made it this far, tell me one thing. Have you ever suspected that your fitness progress might be intertwined with your hormonal health? Share your experiences in the comments regarding workouts, diet, or times when you felt your body falter. And as a bonus, if this content is helping you gain a clearer understanding of the process, subscribe to the channel now. Here you'll always find quality information, free of deceptive shortcuts, to help you progress consistently and securely. There are many myths surrounding testosterone. One of the most common is that only older men need to worry about it. Another frequent misconception is the belief that anabolic steroid use is a solution for all cases of low testosterone. Nothing could be more dangerous. Using exogenous testosterone without medical supervision can compromise your natural production, leading to infertility, liver dysfunction, and heart problems. What was intended to be a solution becomes a trap. The right approach is to investigate. Blood tests, medical evaluations, family history. Every body is unique. And even if your levels are within the normal range, that doesn't mean they're optimal for you. Preventive medicine is precisely about helping you decipher signals before they turn into problems. Moreover, we have the so-called natural testosterone boosters. Do they work? Some do, others not so much. Tribulus terrestris, fenugreek, vitamin D, magnesium, zinc, all play a role in the body, but their effectiveness depends on what's deficient. Supplementation without a deficiency is futile. Most importantly, It's crucial to know your current state and your desired outcome. The focus should always be on the long term. Testosterone is consistency. It's a reflection of how you live every day. Taking care of your body is not vanity, it is responsibility. While rarely discussed, testosterone plays a direct role in one's emotional well-being. Both men and women experiencing low levels of this hormone often report feelings of lethargy, diminished self-esteem, anxiety, and even depressive symptoms. This can significantly impact their motivation to exercise, their productivity at work, and their self-perception. The mind-body connection is inextricable. When you prioritize your hormonal health, you are simultaneously nurturing your mental acuity, memory, and focus. It's not merely about physical strength, it's about inhabiting life with greater presence, vitality, and a fervent desire to create something meaningful. Therefore, working with testosterone is about enhancing your quality of life. This involves making conscious daily choices, getting adequate sleep, exercising intelligently, nourishing yourself with intention, and managing stress. Small actions, profound transformations. We've reached the end of this video, and you may have realized that testosterone is more than just a bodily hormone. It's a bridge between who you are today and the person you can become. A silent catalyst that, when truly understood, empowers you to achieve not only physical betterment, but also a life brimming with vitality, autonomy, and purpose. Do not disregard your body's signals. Observe, learn, and cultivate self-care. Every transformation begins with a single step. And if you wish to take this step alongside us, seize the opportunity to subscribe to our channel. Here you will discover a haven of support, knowledge, and genuine motivation, devoid of empty promises. If this message resonated with you, tell your story in the comments. Share your journey with the gym, with your body, with your own self-worth. What have you learned? What has deeply impacted you? Let's build together a strong community, not just of muscles,